Okay.
It's just kind of.
We were right there.
All right. Just let me know how I could support you.
Yeah, yeah.
Copy that.
Less than 50, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, don't let the
and now
snails
again,
disappear.
that we're 35 or so
Need that
meters.
to see where we've been.
If I change it now, I don't know if it disappears.
Yeah, I don't know. No, it
Right.
should stay, but
I can drop targets too.
I'm fine with it how it is.
Okay, I'll drop some targets as well, so we keep the bounds in.
Yeah, so if we got to start grid pattern, we don't want to go where we've already been.
I think that's the plan. Are we moving towards the lander deployment location now?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so they're moving towards.
In general, I'm kind of doing a zigzag, trying to get maximum sonar. Can bring your head back around to the south if you want.
I'll lose you if I do that.
What is the, well, now it's not there. It was a tiny blip on the second ring.
What heading?
You were looking at that.
The right-hand screen.
Oh, I didn't realize you had that.
There
we go.
It's a tiny blip on the
there.
second
It's
ring.
no longer there. Okay. I don't see it, so.
We were tracking towards a small blip. It might be that one, and pretty sure it was not right. We got close, and we didn't see any flashing lights. That's a bigger blip.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the blip I'm talking about.
Yeah. Headed there now. That might be an echo from Argus. I don't think so, though.
You think that's Argus?
That's oh, well,
it's moving.
No, now it's bluish.
We're turning.
Oh, no.
So it's something.
Come down 4 meters, Mike.
Up.
Something's there.
Nothing in the other one.
Sorry, so could that be Argus?
This one? I think that's what I'm hearing them say.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, Carla should be hopping on momentarily.
Carla will be. Is Carla planning to get on B-Link?
Pardon?
Yeah.
Carla, you said?
Yeah.
To push that back, guys, too.
Give me 20 south.
20 meters south. Bridge nav. Can I get a 20 meter step bearing 180?
So the other small blip is Argus off to my right on the right-hand sonar.
Yep, so now you've got two.
I do.
But he just reset.
Okay.
If I were to make one of these screens go away, you'd prefer to keep this one? All right, you have a good feeling for where that is as the deployment location?
Yeah, I'm within sonar range of it, right?
We are within 15 meters.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to bring the sonar guy back up here and try and play with it.
So there's one. Oh, so now we have two.
Yeah, something. See that one on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh.
That, to me, has moved, right?
Well,
so would that be Argus?
Yeah, no, we don't have them at all. Well, remember, well, as I
There
understand it,
found it.
Whoa, it's right there. Holy cow. Oh my gosh.
Ah.
Wow.
So it was the blip.
Yep.
It was near us the whole
Well,
Stop
time.
on the ship there.
Yeah, we
for us there.
almost pegged it, right? There we go.
Oh, I came down a little to.
I see.
Whoa. And look, it's right where we depleted. It's been
Yes.
Wow,
good.
it
didn't
went straight
move.
down. That's wild.
I don't know if you guys can hear Bridge, but George just tuned in to let us know he was right.
I'll buy you all the beer you can drink, George.
So now we want to see how much it is perhaps augured in.
Copy, copy.
Looks great.
Yeah,
looks
a little
good.
bit of mat moved, but where's the bio box? Remember that we would like to keep some mat on this side so we can fill the bio box, but it looks like we've already kind of, yeah.
Well,
Yeah, I
there's
remember.
Matt to the left. We can hopefully get that.
Look,
Well, they'll be
Right in
sideways.
front of your boxes.
Yeah, I know that was not so great.
Look at
I
that
c- I c-
shrapnel, the like
Yeah,
explosion.
but
So
if-
is it bang on where we
Yeah, of
dropped
course
it?
we had 25% chance
So
of that
much for
happening.
current moving it. That was.
Hang out for a while, and I'll wait for a good position.
What is wrong with my sonar? Should have lit it up like a Christmas tree.
Is it okay to reset DVL?
It was the little blip. Took me a while to get to the little blip, but there. That's what I was expecting to see.
Yeah, looks good. Landed upright. All is well.
Oh, that's
Well,
cool.
yeah, but all the bacteria is not near it. We need to get bacteria into the bio box. The mat.
Hey, Carla, are you there?
Hey, yeah, just joined. I see you found the abyss.
We did.
Yeah, thanks for all your help.
I know, it was all me. Looks great.
So I would say the black stuff is the debris zone from the landing, unfortunately.
What was that, Dan?
All the black that you see, I'll come give you a closer look. Just trying to figure out
Yeah, I would
where
like.
I am in relation to Argus and which way the wind's blowing to avoid wrapping my tether around the thing. But
So, Ginny, you think that that's just material blown out and the mat is still under it? I think the mat was just blown away. So this is the question.
If we could, to be safe, I would try scooping right from, like, oh,
Well, yeah,
man.
but I don't know that that's within reach. So as I understand it, we're going to be.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
That's what I understood. Oh, or actually maybe it'll be this side.
There's some mat
Because
underneath.
of the.
Yeah, there's mat right under it.
Oh, look how cool that is.
But so
See,
the issue is that we need to scoop some mat into the bio box.
Yeah, we
Yes.
need to scoop.
Dan,
Quite a
does that
bit.
sound like an issue for you without it being directly in front of the lander?
what's that?
Scooping white mat into that bio box on the left in the milk crate.
Well, it looks like there's some mat over here.
Yeah.
There's some over there.
Over here.
Well, yeah, we want quite a bit, and yeah, I just don't know what your reach is, and
About 2
so
meters.
this I don't know.
Well, it might be
Can pick
easier
it
to
up and move it.
position right over here on this side, because then you could reach down and scoop if he can reach the yellow toggle to lift the
Well,
lid.
remember, it's in an open scoop, and then you can't go under, right? So then you'd have to go scoop over that, down, and then
Yeah.
dump. So, oh, maybe they can.
Is that little door?
Yeah. Okay. Maybe.
That little door is supposed to be open.
Yeah. We can open it. We have to open it. So maybe we need to go over.
Yeah,
to
I think I
open
could
it.
get some from here. Ooh, cool. I can get some selfies too.
Yeah, get pictures looking at each other.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll have to do, eh? This little
Okay, but
patch here.
We
below
need to
me.
open maybe from the. Hopefully, you can grab the yellow.
Can you, yeah, from around the right-hand
need
side there,
to-
you have to lift the lid open from that
Yeah.
yellow.
All you gotta do is tell me to open the door. Oh,
Okay. Yes.
take it
Please
from
open
Tim,
the
did
door.
you steal still cam?
The top.
what about Stocam?
She was asking somebody else.
What?
She was talking to somebody else.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna play with some adjustments here. Stand by.
Ooh. Oh, I have coffee. That's right.
You want to push the porch out for me?
Copy. Porch coming out.
Tim,
That's good.
how fast, what can be handled as far as interval? I'm going to just set it to take pictures. Is every 30 is good?
Ooh, I can move it if you want. Push it around.
Yeah, whatever you want. I can set it and forget it for, I don't know. I can't figure it out.
Where are you moving it to?
Yeah, I'm moving it a little bit.
Like good quality.
I'm glad it can be moved.
Oh, I can move it all right. Would you like me to move it?
Yeah, that means we're stuck on the mud.
No,
I could pick it up and take it wherever you want it. Or I could push it around.
no, no, please do not do that yet until we try. And if we fail, then we can move it. But that'll cause, we don't have much time.
Yeah, I'll try and do your scoopy thing here.
It goes up.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you don't want to torque the hinge, though, on the box either.
Extend the porch a little more for me.
Oh.
Thank you.
I think he's using that as a lean.
Excuse me?
As a lean on it, the porch.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see.
Sorry, I was a little too close to it there. I gotta come around here. Come on, Herc. Find a marble. Balance on it.
Worst comes to worst, Joan, you see there's some in there.
Yeah, there's some.
So it'll reestablish itself.
Yeah.
Is someone scratching the mic?
Yeah. You're scratching the mic.
Stay, Simba. Stay.
Okay.
Does it float or do I gotta?
You'll have to just get it over. It'll kind of flop over and rest. So hopefully that works for you.
Can I poke it?
To a point.
Okay.
So as Ginny pointed out a little bit, we could actually scoop some of that.
What?
The disturbed sediment that's right in front
Right where you
of
are.
abyss.
Yeah.
Will probably, well, it's better to, if we could, to get some of that, you know, into the box, great. But if not, do you see how there's,
Oh,
I'm just going to draw. You see the whitish stuff there?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, you could work that into the box because it'll reestablish itself with time anyway.
Yeah, we
just have to make sure we get as much white stuff as we can into the box.
Along with some of the black stuff. I mean, we wanted to establish a bit of the So we're going to be scooping maybe the top 4 centimeters.
Retract the porch now.
But we really need some white.
All the way?
Yeah.
I have no idea if he can reach that far.
Oh.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. So we will need more than 1 scoop. We'll need probably about 5, at least 5.
Copy.
It's somewhat to be determined when I can see how much gets into the box.
That's good. That looks like you got a good reach there.
Looks like it.
Yep. So now you get to pick your favorite scoop. Do you want the yellow and blue rat tail, or?
Yeah, well, I would think.
Go for the Mach 2 first.
Yes, I would think that might be the preference, but.
So can you tell us a little bit about the scoops here? What are we scooping for? What will this be used for?
Oh, sorry. The aim is to establish more or less the same community in the bio box. And then we will inject a label. We'll close the bio box. We'll inject the label, leave it. And then there's a mechanical release that will dissolve in about a month, and it will close the bio box. And then when the abyss is recovered, we will be able to take those sediments and find forams and other things in there and analyze them isotopically. And you'll notice the top of the bio box is clear, and that's oops. That's okay. Because
total oops.
Again, this is
it's okay.
It's somewhat light sensitive. Well, once we put the chemical in, it's light sensitive. We need to leave. But for now, it's fine. We got to get it loaded.
I think you're
I'm not sure if that answered the question.
I think that's great. So the difference between these and the push cores is these will stay on the seafloor.
Zoom in a bit there if you want.
They're the same type of incubation. It's the push cores were 24 to 48 hours. I lost track of the timing when we collect those. This is just longer.
Yeah, that's good.
And we're kind of looking for, if you
perfect.
Will, if
that's
you
a great scoop.
Presence, absence.
Mark 2 for the
Don't count
win.
your scoop yet.
Right.
Don't count your scoop till it's in the box.
Roger that. And agreed.
I'm not superstitious, but doesn't hurt to be safe.
I'm superstitious when it comes to sampling. I'm not in general, but that is lovely, I must say.
Michael, I've got
that looks delicious.
your brow
It's tiramisu.
It does look like a tiramisu.
Someone was commenting yesterday from shore that it looked like a southern Jello cake or something.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Don't
like
know what that is.
I don't either.
Little coconut on top.
Yeah.
Mocha.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
yummy.
When is
It's
lunch?
layered.
When is lunch?
Look at that.
Or cookie time or whatever.
We're spoiled here. We've had 2 birthdays in a row, double birthdays.
Oh my gosh.
Someone needs to have a birthday today, and we'll give you this cake.
And just look at all those forams in there.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Waving at us.
Which layers do you think they're in?
Oh, they're in the top centimeter probably, but they can be down in the black for sure.
I think I see one.
I'm telling you. Uh-oh.
Wait, do you actually see one? Are we?
No.
Are the jokes here?
Maybe.
These are quite small here.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, these really are.
Okay.
They're about
out.
200 microns.
Okay.
Maybe 500 microns.
Yeah, in the box.
I think Ginny's imagining
Yes.
a little bit.
So you want that scoop in the box.
I want that scoop in the box.
How bad do you want it?
Well,
mission critical.
Just drop
So
drop
I
the
owe
scoop.
George some beer.
Oh, you're mean.
yeah.
That's fine. We can deal with some beer.
Ah,
That's
There we go.
okay. That's all right. We as
Yeah,
long
there
as we
you
keep
go.
some.
Would you like me to follow?
that's our manipulator. Spastic like that, not me. Like my hands are
They
off
all
it.
say.
It looks like it's nervous.
It is. Oh my god. The scoop's so bad.
This is so important. Would you like me to follow the end effect?
Sure. Two cameras are
Yeah,
always
I'd like
better
to
than
see.
one.
Yeah, it'd be nice to know if it
makes it in the box.
that camera
mostly
over
goes
there.
in, and it's the we're
Oh,
hoping
don't
for the
float away.
white.
Look at that. Some of
Yeah.
them are just jumping in.
And some are jumping out.
So-
Someone's like, oh, yeah, let's go.
As long as some of them make it in, you see, they'll reestablish.
Yeah, but yeah,
And you
Oh.
can zoom in a bit there.
Coming in.
and we know it's gonna all jumble up. That's fine. That's understood.
You are almost
You can look at that camera down
perpendicular.
there too. Maybe you'll see more.
Looks like you're perpendicular to it now.
Okay, dump truck mode.
Zoom in a bit more if you want it.
Yeah. I want to keep your wrist in
Beauty.
there.
There
I'm
you
just going to
go.
come touch the box to make sure I know where I am, because
Roger that.
Yep.
parallax error gets me every time.
Slow scoop.
Get in there.
Oh,
Man.
now it doesn't want to go.
Now it's like, no.
Yeah, what? Needs a love tap.
Long live decade.
Wow, really?
It'll go. It'll go.
Oh.
Wow.
So close. Oh, yeah.
There she
Oh,
went.
It went right in.
Fabulous.
How many scoops?
Do you
Oh,
At least two
if
more.
if they're as nice as that, at least two more. And then we might just try to scrape some of the white, but it's just so flocculent. You know?
Yeah, just
I want to
floats
slurp.
around.
I want to slurp some.
No.
No.
We don't want
Rain
any
it.
slurpage. It would all blow out. So
As we're getting ready for another scoop, science team question came in: how might rising ocean temperatures affect this anoxic basin? Could the anoxic region get larger? Is this
that is
Porch is
actually
all the way in, right?
well.
It's a great question.
Yeah, I
I'm
have
not
not
100.
mapped
Would you like me
it,
to
but I
check?
do believe.
Yeah.
Actually, I think Dave Valentine's group.
It is all the way in.
I'm not sure if they've mapped the whole thing, but I think they are in the process of doing that over a time series, I think. But it certainly is larger than it used to be.
Okay.
I mean, like I say, I started sampling here in the 80s, and I believe it's a much larger area map, but it does flush over time. I mean, episodically. it
Zoom in a
flushes
bit there if you want, Ed.
Yeah, coming in. Holding there. Is that too much? That's better. Thank you.
And that is one of the reasons why we studied it in an NSF.
Hey, Leela, how are
And
we
then
handling
subgrant that we
these?
just are
Just
finishing.
marking location?
Yeah, I think so. Joan,
Yes.
these samples are not something that you'd like logged in our system, right? Because this is just staying here in the bio box. Or would you like us? And we're obviously recording and marking, but
Yeah, I mean, you're recording where the bio box, where the abyss is.
Yeah.
And as long as it's noted that we have a bio box on the abyss.
Yeah.
And it's the Bernhard bio box or Hui bio box, whatever you want to call it.
Okay, Ed, you can go wide for me, please.
That's fine.
Okay.
It doesn't need a
That
separate
one looks good too.
sample
Nice
number.
one.
Oh, wow.
okay, so no
Because
sample number, but target.
we won't get the sample until
Okay, sounds good.
September and I don't think you guys are going to be here to collect it. As I understand, you'll be gone.
we will be back in the region. We can wave.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be by here in September.
Oh,
We'll
well,
let
I
'em
have
know,
no
so-
idea what Pete has lined up for that part. And, sometimes those are moving targets themselves, plans.
You can zoom in there.
That was your blue tape.
So how deep, folks want to know how deep the mat is itself. You can see that white bit just on the top.
Zoom
Yeah,
in a little more if you want.
it's mainly in the top centimeter, few millimeters. But if conditions changed in the basin, if there was an intrusion of oxygen, you'd see less white on the surface, and the filaments would migrate by gliding mostly down deeper into the sediments to get away from the oxygen.
But if it's just a whiff of oxygen, then the mat, it won't have as much white on the
it's
surface.
recorded for posterity
but,
there, hopefully.
It will become a thicker mat that's more cohesive, and then it's actually, you could scoop and move relatively quickly in that more cohesive. It really is a dynamic environment. Even though people might think of it as a dead zone, it's not. There's lots and lots of things going on, both from the bacteria perspective as well as there's a lot of biofauna, so lots of forams, as if anybody's been tuned in for the past few days has heard about. And also there's some really interesting ciliates, there's interesting flagellates, and also some interesting metazoans. There's a couple species. There was a new species of polychaete that we described from here in the early 2000s, and it's covered with bacteria.
Might touch
really it. Like a coat?
Oh, it's looks like a little fuzzy teddy bear. They're adorable. Really, really adorable.
So there's lots of examples of symbioses in this basin, and she wrote a paper in 2000 that first described a variety of them, and since then we've been lucky to study a few of them, and it's fascinating, and we think that it's by partnering up with certain types of bacteria that these eukaryotic protists are able to survive in this environment.
Yeah, and so that paper is called The Santa Barbara Basin is a Symbiosis
zoom in a bit
Oasis.
there if you want it.
Yeah.
And, that was published in Nature.
That's good.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
What is the teddy bear polychaete's name?
His name is Xenonorilla bactericola. Xenonerilla.
Nice.
That's
great.
Bactericola.
Yeah. So one more of those.
Yeah, very nice. One more.
Okay. Go in.
Fabulous.
While you situate yourself, can I still bubble?
What's that?
While you get the next scoop.
Roger.
Xenonerilla bactericola. Awesome.
And there's another funny myofaunal-sized metazoan. It's a gastrotrick. That was also a new species. Now, so far we haven't seen symbionts in it, but I did some very preliminary TEM way back. So they're not covered with bacteria, but I think they must have endosymbionts. It's just kind of it's a side project waiting for a summer student project kind of thing, or something.
Yep. Little zoom there.
You hear that? Jones recruiting.
Sure, you know, Woods Hole Oceanographic has the summer student fellowship program. Every summer, applications are due, I think, in January or February.
Noted.
You can come and get your all expenses paid for 12 weeks, 10 to 12 weeks. And you do a project in HUI lab. If you're interested, you could apply and come and work with Joan and Ginny.
Yeah,
that
would be fantastic.
You had me at all expenses paid.
Lost you at Joan and Ginny.
Okay.
I would have thought it was teddy bear polychaete.
Yeah. You could just go in Ginny's lab if you want, as long as you're gonna get
Jones.
You're gonna get the samples from one of us. But mostly be in my lab.
Okay, that's a good one. That's great.
Yeah.
Once you pose it, I'll get the close up.
Flop.
Wah, wah, wah.
sticky stuff. It's strange it sticks to that scoop like that.
Mike, a question from a viewer about how difficult Herc is to clean off after these dives. Do you want to talk us through that? How messy is the vehicle when it comes
It's really easy. I just tell Mike to do it.
It can get pretty messy, especially when there's like.
You know, while you're there, could you scoop a little bit more material into that scooper?
Can.
It'll be more efficient than doing another one, I think, and you'll be able to fit some.
Oh yeah. I could make
Especially like these stringy
overflow.
bits that get stuck to like in the gratings underneath Herc and then around the screws and stuff like that. You just apply more pressure with the hose.
Yeah. I'll wait a second. Yeah. A little more freshwater rinse. The vehicles also get pretty well flushed on the ascent and the descent, traveling through 500 meters of water with the water going by.
That's good. Tip her up.
Tipping up.
So they have a freshwater rinse after each dive.
So Erin, we decide we'll
Nice.
actually
Bit of an
log
excessive
this as a
tip.
sample.
Yep, that's
as
good.
Sample 85.
Sample 85?
Yeah, just
okay.
the whole thing is one.
Okay.
That is so cool.
Just flung that stuff all over.
I know, that was quite the little flip.
Did not mean to do that.
So you know which way the current's going.
Yeah.
Oh, jet stream, like current streams are really interesting to me.
Was this our third scoop that we added? On
Yes.
Oh, I was like, Dan, are you sifting for gold?
He's nervous.
Yeah, we gotta play with the gains on there a little. Okay, and you should be able to zoom in there for
Copy.
and a sample shot.
Bump, probably. It's a great bump.
That's good.
Manipulator wasn't twitching like a.
Yeah, it makes it look like the material is
this morning.
It's alive.
being sampled.
Yeah. So
Awesome, I'm getting lots of pictures of this.
In the pot.
Roger.
That's what it looks like, that moon sand.
Is that? No.
You want to
oops.
give me the
Come
second
back
view up there,
down.
Michael?
Oh.
So I'm right at the end trying to sneak out. Coming in, holding. Thank you.
Bombs away.
Copy.
Well,
Getting a little closer here so you can get a view of it. Actually falling in. Up the manipulator.
We're
and the
good.
view.
Let's get it in.
See, it spends all its time wanting to jump out until you get next to the box.
it's true. It's kind of
It's
funny,
like
isn't
taking a dog to the vet.
It's true.
That is really good.
It's clawing at the door right now.
Look at it, like all held together.
All right. So now I believe, Joan,
I
the
believe-
lid gets shut.
Yeah, so I want to close, let's close the lid and latch it. I don't want to inject the material quite yet, because as soon as we inject, we're out of here. I would like to find Brooke and ask her if she is okay with the BIS. We've been down here, we've seen it for, what, a half an hour or something? Because we're not coming back here after we inject that syringe.
And Carla's with us still.
Lounge now.
Brooke, if you're down in the lounge, do you want to call us up on SPL or come up?
Are you talking to lounge?
I'm just talking on SPL.
So we can, actually, well, we're going to do a par. I don't know that
yeah.
we,
This
I
is
don't know.
this is not a good place
Location,
to do par
'cause we're
because we're
close
close to abyss. But
Yeah.
so what I would like to do, if you don't mind, is collect some cores, and I think you can do it
Oh, sure.
from here
Yeah.
without moving, and by then you'll have a read on Brooke to whether she's cool with how abyss is behaving.
Hey, Mike?
Yes?
Do me a favor and open the starboard box.
Opening.
We're done with this scoop, right?
Roger that.
Box is opening.
Should I go try to find
Show
Brooke,
me the,
or is there some way that...
I got you. I got you.
guess I
Yeah,
could...
you know what I want.
Yeah.
I'll go.
Or anybody listening in the lounge, will you find Brooke? Send her up here.
What I need is,
that's not what
I don't need that. I need bubble cam.
Yeah. I got you.
Yeah, but sometimes they listen with the volume
Volume all the way down. Yeah.
Yeah, just so I
Ginny,
can see where the manip is.
I'll be back. I'll just go find her. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I just want to make sure that
I'm also still here, by the way.
I'm gonna.
she's
I'm
here.
Gonna do.
Okay. Wherever you are.
I think that's Carla.
That's
If
Carla.
you need anything from me for the
got
abyss.
it. Sorry, I don't recognize your voice. I'm still going to go find. I'm still going to go find Brooke. So,
Okay. So the cores that we're going to do are not the one with the squeezy bit. We're going to do that one last.
We do that very, very
and we'll
last.
do that at the
Close the box.
location that we do our par.
Copy. So are we out of here now, or are we taking cores right here?
Where you can take cores right here, because that way we're here if Brooke, and because you can aim for this area right there.
I can't reach the undisturbed area from here with a core. I'll have to move
okay.
I'll have to move the vehicle just a little bit.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Just
that was
nudge yourself forward or something.
That was the maximum scoop range there.
Mm-hmm.
Carla, Joan said thanks for hanging out. If you can hang out and stand by about 10 more minutes, that would be great.
Yeah, sure. I can do more minutes.
If you want to move your vehicle and Joan needs the front of that thing latched and injected, then maybe you can move your vehicle to where you're positioned to do that work, and maybe you can reach a mat to your right, to the right of abyss.
That's totally blown out there.
Oh, okay.
It's
all right. Well, let's just grab these guys up here. Yeah, scooch over there and. Oh, brother.
Plow.
Submarining.
Plowing.
How's playing as a bulldozer?
Yeah.
It's amazing how soft the sediment is.
Yes, it is.
Great questions coming in. Keep sending them in on the website. ROV Hercules is 20 years old, originally built in 2001.
Perfect.
Should be able to reach out there.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can read.
Okay, Mike.
Are you
sledge the porch out?
Are you gonna? Oh wait, no, you're doing the front one. Okay.
Yeah. We're not doing coring with the ones on the starboard side. We're only collecting a total of 4 cores. Yep.
Go all the way out.
Good. All right. So any of those 3.
Do you want all 3? Do you?
Choose your weapon.
Yeah. Do the one with the T first, maybe.
Yeah, I usually do the ones in the back. Go back to front, then I don't.
Okay, fine.
Then I don't.
That's the T though. The T's in the back.
Yeah.
Then I don't disturb them, right?
Yeah. Those 2 in the back are a bit shorter than the other ones I have for you. So if they are unsuccessful, what is that red thing? Do you want to move that? That's a scoop. Right?
That's, yeah.
Might make it hard for you to get your core back in.
I'll be all right.
All right.
I hope.
So Hercules is about 20 years old. That doesn't mean all the systems are 20 years old. You can read more on the technology page about what the vehicle is equipped with right now. We did upgrade a 6,000 meter vehicle 2 years ago, and do have plans in the next couple of years to build. A goal for the Ocean Exploration Trust is to build another Hercules. Okay. So lots more to come on that front.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks good spot.
Dan's got this down to an art.
Maybe that was yesterday. Or maybe it was today. I don't know. I've lost all track of.
We left port 20 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah, remember we do this slow, right?
Yeah.
Painfully slow.
How much are we filling? I don't see any black lines on this one.
These are the ones that are very prone to falling out, so kind of the longer the better, but we do not want to over-penetrate. So I would
once
say
you hit the tape zone,
exactly,
I would say stop.
Stop.
Keep going.
Right about there.
A little bit more.
Getting greedy. Remember, it's going to push up when I stick
there's
it
gonna be
in the
stop.
Remember, there's the stopper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to come out with you once it clears.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you can just put, as long as you get it into the quiver, we would be happy.
That's a nice looking one.
It is right now.
Yeah, exactly.
All
It's
those
lovely,
layers.
lovely right now.
Long way to go. I see something
Top
pooping
that
out
thing
on
right
the
there,
bottom.
Right there, hold up. Coming out.
Yahoo!
Hallelujah.
So good,
For
Dan.
one.
Very nice.
Very slick.
It
Very
did
nice.
push
Michael's
back up
keeping score,
when we,
Dan.
Woohoo!
Really
good.
good.
Oh yeah.
Already
Against
eating.
Michael. Yeah.
One
Well,
for
I
one.
don't.
No drop coring.
I haven't got off it yet. There's always sometimes carnage.
Yeah,
when you
that's
try and
true.
Let go of it.
Okay, and we're
Yeah.
going to give it the little tap.
Love tap.
Love tap coming up.
So the Brooke update is she will be here shortly.
Excellent.
And we would like to actually, after we collect these next two cores, we want to do a 360 view around the abyss.
Do you need headings on each side as well?
No, we're
Need
just,
those? No, just a view. Pirouette.
How's our
3
time,
cores.
man?
sorry. Yeah, 2 more cores. This one and 1 more.
Yep.
And then we haven't closed the bio box, so we want to close it.
Yep.
Do the pirouette view from the water column.
Yep.
And then inject. And
Yeah,
then
so
leave.
just so you know, the pirouette view will be a 180. So we'll start.
That's
halfway
fine.
Around,
Oh,
go
right.
back halfway
Yep,
around the other.
that's fine.
I got that tether management thing to
Yes,
deal with.
yes. Don't
Okay.
want to tangle your tether.
No, that would.
Do we want to go a ways
It's
away?
fun
And
to tangle your tether. It just takes forever to get it out.
I know. This was a saying of the Jason group.
Are you happy here?
Yep, good. Perfect.
hey, Dan, when we need to go do that 180, do you want to go car wash somewhere else first and then come back and do it so we don't get dirt on top of the box?
Very good point.
Yeah.
That would be a yes.
We'll probably car wash downwind.
Yeah.
We know which way the wind's blowing. Oh,
I'm
sorry,
actually,
the current.
Joan, I think I'm going to have him collect all cores here. We won't.
No,
we
Jenny,
won't squeeze the one. We won't squeeze
Ah,
it
yeah,
here.
yeah. That's
Okay?
awesome. Yeah, but and you know what on that one?
And then he can squeeze it at the same location we do the par.
It didn't even go down
Yeah,
a
yeah,
little.
yeah. That would be fine.
All right, that way he doesn't have to score. That's
I
good.
would say
Stop.
that's good.
Come here.
Coming out with you.
Oh, into the
Beauty.
car wash.
This one.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
Full wide.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Got it. A little carried away on the tilt down there.
Have to hit the injector. Nope, you missed it. Perfect.
Oh, dang, you're good today.
He's not there yet. He's not there yet.
Count
Yeah,
your
but-
cores before they're hatched.
No hatching.
All the mixed
Before
metaphors.
they're tapped.
Yep. This is a hard part for me, believe it or not. These snaggletooth jaws are
Yep, understood. That's why I'm reminding everyone.
Come
Get
straight
out
up
of there.
instead of opening.
Yeah.
You're
You're hung.
you were hitting the other T-bar. T-handle.
Yeah. Also,
Ooh.
Bah, that was very hooey of you.
Oh, it's in there.
My goodness.
Get
Oh,
off.
Ah,
There it goes.
watch the T-handle.
Yeah, I see it. What am I on?
The light bar.
Ah.
How about now?
It should be clear.
It's just this 3-day cruise is taking.
Yeah.
We need to get blood pressure somewhere into an acronym. Like it's going to be like ABYSS, BP, HPP.
Okay, the ball.
Yeah. You do not know how real
should
that
put blood
is.
pressure on the graph
I just think we should like get it into an acronym somewhere of like with the sampling equipment.
Okay.
We have an O2 sensor.
That doesn't. Oh yeah.
So
All right,
that's why we got the whole thing for the
So
skinny
you're getting all sorts of variety here.
Still full wide.
The balls are meant for the intermeshing jaws.
Roger that, but we thought you liked the
just the interest.
The eclectic mix from yesterday or earlier today, whenever that was.
The charcuterie of course.
That's a good location right there.
Ford, Chevy, Mazda, Toyota, and they all go down the road.
I think we could call it the EPID. We could call it the Extreme Pulse Indicating Device. we need one.
Ed, you want to give us some?
That looks good.
Probably let that guy roll on by.
Yeah, let that guy roll through.
Is that the equivalent of a
tumbling
seabed tumbleweed?
Yeah,
tumbling tumbleweed. So that's one of those pyro.
Pyrosome.
Tunicate.
Do.
I learned something. Slow and steady. And this one, we would like to stop below
No,
keep
this
going.
is not it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The earning.
Pardon me. Pardon me.
Okay, so just go to about that second line. Right about there. Stop.
That's the first line. But whatever.
Happy there or more?
Right?
You're good.
Coming out.
Maybe a little stacking.
This one seems a little hesitant to come out. If you have to push it down a little, you can. Yeah. Oh, he doesn't want to come out.
So weird.
We have time. We're doing good. As I understand, we have probably another hour. Yeah, we can just drag him.
Yeah, we will just drag everything.
You're coming with us.
Just joked in.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Another trip to the bed.
Wow.
Okay, I think I've seen everything now. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, you brought half the seafood.
Oh, what injector?
That's it.
If you can get him in, get him in.
Shove him in.
Oh wow!
Oh, look at that.
That's incredible.
Woo.
We didn't even have bubble cam.
Wahoo!
You're cleaning that. That's not me.
I think we're gonna have to go do the car wash thing.
Okay.
No, we're doing one more here.
Exactly. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Give him the
tap
love.
him in,
Yeah.
and then grab the big T
We're going to
handle
put that in
front.
now.
So you're not going to do anything with the squeezy bit right now. You're just going to collect the core like a normal core and put her back right where she is.
Copy.
And then when we're off site, after we do the car wash, after we do the panorama, and we're done here at the Abyss, the last thing we do before we go up will be to squeeze that sucker.
My sample number is accurate. 868788.
Take a look. 88. Yep. So this one we're taking now will be 89.
Okay.
And
thanks.
On this one, we want to stop
at the first line.
At the first line, or maybe
Why don't we head for this spot right here?
Oh, that's too close to the other divot. Too close.
Okay,
we're
forget
gonna have a
that.
problem.
How about, did you see my arrow reverse? Did you like that?
Well, that's a little close, but I think for reach, I guess that's okay. Sure, in the middle of that white splotch.
I can sledge forward a little if you want. So
no, that's
good.
good.
Happy with this?
If this reaches angle is okay for you, it's okay for us.
Yeah, it's all right for me.
Okay.
Right here, this little micro mat.
Yep.
Yep. I mean, there's mat in between it too. It just is not quite so white. Slow down a little, please. Keep going. It's looking good. Looking great. Little more. Little more. Little more. Stop.
Okay.
We got the.
It'll sink a little bit. So
Okay. So
give it a. That's good.
Seems to be holding.
Beautiful.
it should be fine.
Happy with that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Get her in.
Okay, and you can go wide there. Oh,
This one we can repeat if it drops out.
we saved that low-hanging fruit on the front just for this guy.
Good.
Yeah, roger that.
That's great.
Well, we have
Theory,
to
that'll
release.
be easier to do the squeezy thing there.
Well, we don't want to do the squeezy thing till we're heading up.
Yeah, copy that. Just when we do it, should be out there in the breeze, easy to do.
Away
Yeah.
from all the other cores.
Yeah. I thought it would be easier for you to get at it up there.
Yeah,
Is it?
someone
all the
nicely
way
put that
seated?
extra. Look at all the jello on it.
Yeah, you see it moving when you push down.
Okay. So now
closing the lid.
Can we look at the surface? I'd just like to see that on that core. If we could zoom in.
Oh,
Yeah, hold on, Mike.
Sorry.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Might need to go back out.
We're good.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Oh,
no,
sorry,
I see.
sorry.
Look at all those layers.
We're good.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Sorry.
All right. So car wash time.
Let's call it key time here. I thought
No,
you
not
wanted
yet.
to close your
No,
lid.
We need to close the bio box. I kind of thought we had done that, but I guess I missed that.
I think he did.
Oh, did you?
I
We
closed
closed
it,
the
but
lid,
but
but we
not
didn't
other.
latch it.
Yeah.
The Abyss bio box.
Yeah, there's that little latching thing.
And is there anything we have to squeeze or no?
Well, I don't want to squeeze it until we're done doing our little
But then bump
inspection.
into it.
Because
What's
it's it's light sensitive.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
too close there. Come around a little more. Might be able to get it from there. Might be too close.
So he's grabbing that white one, right, Richard?
Yeah, the one with the knots, and then you can. The intention was to put it over both of the eye screws or eye bolts as we discussed earlier today.
Zoom in a bit there if you want to.
Yeah, copy.
Something like that.
Yeah, as far as I can tell. As long as it's around both of them. Yep. And as long as it stays. I have to hang up on the... I mean, I've had it over that and it worked fine, so I'm not sure why it's
good.
hitting. Okay.
Good job.
Can we just
okay,
zoom in
full
and, yeah.
Oh, full zoom.
Just want to make sure it's...
Maybe out
let me,
just a little
let me
bit.
give you
Yeah,
a
right
little
there
framing.
somewhere.
Yeah,
That's good.
get my iris down a little bit.
One other thing I would like to check. So there's a 1/16 inch hole in that front corner. I mean, I'm just assuming it's going to be able to vent through that.
Yeah.
It should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have to look. All right.
Okay, full white.
We can do our inspection. Brooke, you are here, yeah?
Yep, I'm here.
So direct as, well, they have to do 2 180s because of the tether.
Okay.
First, we have to disrupt all visibility.
He's going to go like clean off away because we don't want to get mud on the abyss.
Yeah.
So
Sounds
this is going to be kind of ugly. Kind of slide, slide to the back.
But then.
And Carla, are you still on?
Float, Herc, float, float, float.
Yes, I am still on.
Okay, great.
How high are you coming? Because I'm like right above you. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm good. Never mind.
Yeah,
I was kidding.
Got a sonar target on me. I'm a little close.
I'm at like I mean.
Let's move about 20 meters east, please.
Sure. Bridge nav. Can I get a 20 meter step bearing 090? Thank you.
Well, we're going quite a ways away to rinse off, right?
Yeah.
So I'm
moving the boat so I have room to come up.
I'm just thinking that if you car wash and you're far enough away, we could do the par right where
You want to do that last thing, right?
Yeah, we have to go back to Abyss to do the photo and to trigger something. But we could do the par sensing wherever we are.
Flash or failure there. I don't know about you, but I don't see a flasher.
They'll have to turn the lights back on for the 180.
I thought I did.
You see it flash? I don't see it. Maybe the Herc's lights are too bright. Turn in the lights up.
Okay.
I just want to see if the flash is going.
So we're just going to clean off, and then we're going to go back, circle around, and then do your plunger, right?
Yeah, right.
So we can do that where we do the squeezy thing.
That's fine, 20 minutes. Yeah, yeah.
Inspection and push your plunger. Okay, and then we'll go away, do our par and Niskins and squeeze and go home. Okay. We're good. All that. Right. So this is what a car wash looks like under the sea.
Yeah.
This is when you're going off-roading in the ocean.
Circle. Lasso car wash.
We could go for 2 kilometers and there would still be stuff coming off this vehicle.
We have quite a bit of time. Well,
we're just doing a 20-meter move. When we stop the 20 meters, then
we'll wag.
Yeah.
Ah.
So if you see the nav screen, we were doing all of our business here, and I let the current blow me north, and
then
I'm just backing up. So all this muddy water should be, when we are done, we'll come back to the south and come.
There was a beacon check.
Come west, and you won't have to look at all this stuff.
So that was for. Yeah.
So that beacon check target was just where Dan turned the lights off and we couldn't see anything.
Oh, I see.
It wasn't the USBL beacon, it was the flasher.
Oh.
Yeah, I never saw the flash.
Sorry, I got it now.
No flashy flash.
No flashy flash.
Yeah, I never saw that flash on deck.
It appears to not be working. Yeah, it was working when I turned it on. I saw it.
Yeah, we
light
waved
up
the magnet in front of it, and then you saw it light up.
This morning?
Right before we deployed it.
Huh.
I saw it flashing in the warehouse too when they were testing it.
Don't know what happened there.
Yeah, it was flashing endlessly in the warehouse.
Maybe that was the problem.